dolls, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all fabulous today. So I am back with our Pride series, and I almost wasn't, but I made it. Here I am. And today's color is green. Green in the Pride flag stands for nature, and I'm a little hippie at heart, so I'm all about it. So I was inspired to do this look using like the whole negative space. It's really in right now, and it's actually pretty easy to do. Like, I feel like if I can do it, anybody can, and it looks so much harder than it really is. All you need is like 2 shades of green, a dark green and a little bit lighter of a green, and a champagne color, and boom, this look is voila, done. Real quick though, before we get into this eye look, don't forget we have a giveaway going on right now. I am giving away the Jeffree Star Thirsty Palette. Oh, I'm excited. So it actually comes in tomorrow. The giveaway though is running for 2 weeks. It just went up on Sunday on my birthday. This is my birthday giveaway. I'm giving back to you guys, and I'm so excited that it gets here tomorrow. The limit was 2 that you could order, so I ordered 1 for me for my birthday and 1 for you guys. So 1 lucky winner will win the Jeffree Star Thirsty Palette, MAC Fix Plus, and Dose of Colors lipstick, liquid lipstick in Supernatural. And what else did I get? I got all kinds of stuff. There was all kinds of stuff. But if you go to my last video, it will be linked right there. You'll see all the goodies. As a matter of fact, I'll post a picture of it right here. One lucky winner will win all of that. You need... By the way, it is international. Everybody, it is international. I get asked that like 3, 4, 5, 6 times an hour. So I want to let you know, everybody gets to enter. I hate excluding everyone. And by the way, I'm revising my rules. I know I said you had to be, well, the one thing you have to do, you have to be subscribed. That is mandatory. You have to be subscribed to my channel. The thing that I am changing is it's not mandatory to go like my Facebook page and my Instagram. Some people don't have social media, or some people don't have both platforms. So you can get away with just subscribing, but if you want the extra points, other people, if you go like my Facebook and my Instagram page, you're going to get extra entries. So the only thing is, you can still get entered, you just won't get those extra entries if you don't go and like those pages. And the Thirsty Palette is sold out. So you won't be able to get your hands on it. This is one way to get your hands on it. So I'm excited, and it gets in tomorrow. So you know I will be playing with it. I'm excited. I know there's not many people up that have it right now, and I'm fortunate to be in California. So it only took like 2 days to ship here, and I am excited. Yay! So what I needed to tell you guys though, some people are just subscribing. No, what you need to do is, to get it verified, to get your entries, you need to go down into the description box, and right at the top of the description box there is a hyperlink that says gleam.io. It's a little hyperlink. You need to click on that because it's going to verify that you're subscribed. It's going to verify all your entries, and there's a link to a video there that you can come back every day and earn bonus entries every single day. So you can get up to, let me see, 17 entries if you come back every single day. So that's a assload of entries, and there's only, I want to say there's only like 100 and something entries so far, which isn't very much, you guys. That's, your odds are hella good. That's the one good thing about it being a small channel, is you have hella good odds. And I just love giving back to you guys. And by the way, my 1 year on YouTube is coming up here next month, so you know we're going to be celebrating my 1 year birthday on YouTube, and we are going to be doing a freaking ultra giveaway, but we'll talk more about that later after this giveaway. One giveaway at a time, please. Okay. So let's go ahead and get into the look and create this gorgeous green happy horny look. Let's turn into a leprechaun. So first I'm going to use this green, second green from the top as my transition color. And it's pretty light, but I'm going to build it up a little bit. And don't worry about being too neat with it. I'm just literally slathering it on and kind of bringing it out a little bit, kind of flicking the brush out. And like I said, don't worry about being neat. And then I tried to go in with this darker green in my crease, but as you can see, it wasn't really giving the effect that I wanted. So I went into the Jaclyn Hill palette and used the dark green in there, and that worked very well. And I'm taking that right into the crease and then flicking that out. I decided to use a pencil brush to be a little more precise and pack it on. And then I'm going to flick it out at the corner and then use a flat brush to then define it just a little bit more. And then just kind of buff it out a little bit. Again, don't worry about being too neat here because we're going to cut this and clean it up. And then I take that green and then go over it and blend it out a little bit. So now I'm using my concealer by Makeup Revolution. You can use any concealer, and I'm going to cut the crease, and I use my trick of painting it on towards the lash line and opening my eyes wide to see where I need to draw my line. It just stamps it right into the crease. Especially if you have hooded eyes, this is the best trick. So I'm bringing that down and then swooping that out, and with the concealer, to create the effect I want, I'm basically drawing like a wing liner with my concealer, and that's going to give me that negative space that I want there. And you see how much better that looks now. And then I'm going to go back in with this dark green on like a little thin eyeliner brush, and I'm just going to go into the crease and clean it up a little bit more and draw around it because I made it a little bit too thin. So yeah, basically just follow the line and clean it up just a little bit. So now I'm going to go in with this Pat McGrath green in one of the Mothership palettes that I have, and you can just go back in with your dark green. I just wanted something a little sparkly, and basically I'm just going to use that as eyeliner, and I'm just painting that on with my little brush and then following the wing up. But you're going to want to keep a little bit of space between the crease line and the wing liner because you want to create that little bit of negative space right there. It's going to give a really cool effect. Don't worry about being too perfect with it. You're going to have to go over it, a few different times. So yeah, I'm just drawing that on there. And then I'm taking this champagne-y color from the Pure palette that I have. And you can use any champagne color, highlighter color. And I'm sweeping that on, or patting that on the rest of the negative space just to set it down and make it glow just a little bit more. And then I'm going to go in with that green again, but this time on the lower lash line, and just bring that up. And I'm actually following that up the wing liner just to give it a little more definition and smoking that out. And then I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill green with a more defined brush, and we're going to keep that up towards our lash line. And we're also going to connect it with the wing up top. So you want it all to go together. And I also take that dark green into my actual waterline too, because the green eyeliner I have isn't very good. So, and it's not as dark as this. So I used eyeshadow for liner there. And then I'm going to go over that green with the Pat McGrath green just because it has some gorgeous glittery sparkle to it, and I like everything sparkly, but you could literally just leave it with the dark green and it will still look amazing. I just happen to really want to use that green so bad, and this was my chance, so I went ham with it. And then I'm just highlighting my inner corners with that same champagne color. And I'm also lining my upper lash line with black liner and then going over it with some mascara before I put my falsies on. And I'm using the Butter London Double Decker mascara. God, that's a mouthful. And for my favorite lashes, I'm using the Morphe Hollywood Boulevard. Like I said, these give just enough lash to where they're full and long, but they don't cover up my eye look. Like they're just perfect, absolutely perfect. So this is it, you guys. That is all. I went and did the rest of my face makeup, and it is such a simple eye look, but it looks like we did so much to it. It's so gorgeous. You can do this same technique with any colors, and it really, really is simple. Like, if I can do it, anyone can. So I hope you guys like this one. I love doing this Pride series because it lets me venture out into color, which I don't normally do. So if you recreate it, please tag me in your looks. I'd love to see them. Also, you guys, don't forget to get entered in the giveaway. Click on the link in the description box because that's the only way you're going to get all your entries in. So you guys have a fabulous week, and I will see you guys on Friday. Bye, guys. Love you.